there, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. I'm so glad you're here today because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, beautiful summer farmhouse design using IKEA furniture. Yes, that gorgeous, warm, lived-in aesthetic we all love, made totally achievable with pieces you can actually find and afford. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. And if you've been with us for a while, drop a comment below and tell me your favorite farmhouse decor item. Let's get into it. Your farmhouse story begins at the curb, and summer is the perfect season to make that facade absolutely sing. Think crisp white or warm cream board and batten siding, paired with a classic dark charcoal or navy front door. That contrast is timeless. IKEA's Fejka artificial outdoor plants in terracotta pots flanking your entrance add that effortless summer charm without the watering guilt. Hang a simple wooden wreath or a woven rattan sunburst above the door. Black iron lantern-style light fixtures finish the look beautifully. This is what designers call curb appeal layering, adding texture, color, and greenery for a complete, welcoming first impression. The entryway sets the entire mood of your home, and a farmhouse-style one is both gorgeous and seriously practical. Mount IKEA's HEMNES wall cabinet with a mirror in white. It's a perfect drop zone for keys and small essentials. Add a row of vintage-style black iron hooks from IKEA's Juzig line for coats and hats. A slatted wooden shoe cabinet keeps footwear tidy beneath. Layer in a chunky jute or cotton striped mat on the floor, a small wooden bench with a plaid throw, and a simple ceramic vase with dried pampas grass. Warm, organized, and so farmhouse perfect. Your farmhouse living room in summer should feel like a deep breath. Start with IKEA's KIVIK sofa in a natural linen or oatmeal slipcover fabric, the kind that looks better the more you use it. Layer oversized cotton throws in muted sage and cream. A whitewashed HEMNES coffee table anchors the space beautifully. Style it with a stack of vintage books, a tray of pillar candles, and a small mason jar of wildflowers. Sheer white curtains let that gorgeous summer light pour in. The design principle here is organic texture layering, mixing linen, cotton, rattan, and wood for that authentically relaxed farmhouse feel. Farmhouse dining is all about gathering, and summer makes it feel like every meal is a little celebration. IKEA's Bois with Ringabavingie oak veneer table is absolutely stunning as a base. Pair it with Stefan chairs in natural wood or mix in a bench for that casual farmhouse energy. For table decor, think a linen runner down the center, mismatched vintage-inspired ceramic plates, and simple glass jar vases filled with sunflowers or lavender. Taper candles in wooden candle holders add warmth for evening meals. Layer woven placemats underneath your place settings. It's the collected over time aesthetic, relaxed, personal, and beautifully imperfect. The farmhouse kitchen is where soul lives, and IKEA makes it stunningly achievable. Section cabinets in white with brushed nickel cup pull hardware instantly create that classic shaker-style farmhouse look. A butcher block or white marble effect countertop from IKEA's Spatulunda line ties it all together. Style your refrigerator area with open shelving above, displaying rustic ceramic canisters. Your stove area gets a hand-thrown-look ceramic pot holder and a cast-iron skillet on display. Tuck a small IKEA Tilreda portable coffee machine on the counter with a little wooden tray, a linen cloth, and a small potted herb. Functional, beautiful, farmhouse perfect. Every family needs a room that just hugs you, and the farmhouse family room does exactly that. Mount your flat-screen TV above a shiplap effect accent wall. You can create this look with IKEA's PX system or decorative wall panels painted in warm white. Frame the TV with floating shelves styled with framed family photos, small potted succulents, and stacked books. Below, an IKEA Kallax unit in white acts as a handsome media console. Drape a chunky knit throw over an oversized armchair. A big woven area rug grounds the seating area. This is comfort-first design. Every element invites you to slow down and stay a while. Who says a home office can't be charming? Tuck a small IKEA HEMNES desk in white into a sunny corner. Its classic lines are perfectly farmhouse. Style the desktop with a unique small brass desk clock, a tiny leather pencil cup, and a potted trailing ivy. A vintage-inspired small radio adds personality and a touch of nostalgia. Beside it, carve out a reading nook with a cozy Darsinja armchair in natural birch, a small floor lamp, and a floating lac shelf above stacked with beloved books. Layering work and leisure in one intentional corner is what designers call a purposeful vignette. Your farmhouse bedroom in summer should feel like the best hotel you've ever stayed in, breezy, clean, and utterly restful. IKEA's SONGESAND bed frame in white with simple plank detailing is a dream base. Dress it in crisp white cotton bedding from IKEA's Nat Jasmine line, then layer with a lightweight gauze duvet and 2 or 3 throw pillows in soft sage, dusty blue, or warm terracotta. A HEMNES bedside table in white holds a simple ceramic lamp and a small vase of fresh flowers. Sheer linen curtains billow gently at the windows. This is quiet luxury farmhouse. Understated, serene, and deeply intentional. A farmhouse bathroom is like a daily retreat, and summer is the perfect season to refresh yours. Start with IKEA's Godmorgen vanity in white paired with an Odensvik sink. Clean, simple lines that feel both modern and classic. Add an oval frameless mirror above with a thin natural wood or black iron frame leaning against the wall. In the shower area, use white subway tile, even peel and stick works beautifully, and hang a eucalyptus bundle from the shower head for that spa-like summer freshness. Waffle weave cotton towels in white or soft gray, a small teak bath mat, and glass apothecary jars complete this serene sanctuary. A farmhouse garage doesn't have to be just functional. It can be genuinely good-looking too. IKEA's Ivar shelving system in pine is a brilliant choice here. Sturdy, customizable, and beautifully rustic. Use it to store tools in labeled wooden crates, garden supplies in woven baskets, and seasonal items in matching bins. Hang a pegboard on one wall painted in dark matte charcoal for tools and equipment. It's both practical and visually striking. A vintage-style wall clock, a potted succulent on the shelf, and good pendant lighting transform this utilitarian space. The principle is working beauty, organization that looks as good as it functions. The farmhouse patio is where summer truly comes alive, and this is your moment to create an outdoor room that rivals any indoor space. Start with IKEA's Splar outdoor dining table and chairs in acacia wood, left natural or whitewashed for a sun-bleached, coastal farmhouse feel. Layer the seating with sunbrella-style cushions in stripes or classic ticking. String warm Edison bulb lights overhead from post to post. Add a few terracotta pots with trailing geraniums, lavender, and rosemary. A galvanized metal bucket, repurposed as a drink cooler, is peak farmhouse summer charm. This is indoor-outdoor living done with soul, simplicity, and style. Here's one of the most exciting truths in interior design. It's the accessories that bring a room from nice to absolutely breathtaking. In a farmhouse home, think in terms of vignette storytelling, grouping 3 or 5 items of varying heights together on a tray or shelf. Combine a tall ceramic vase, a medium wooden candle holder, and a small stone or glass object. IKEA's Bligsam and Vervine collections offer beautiful, affordable decorative items that feel genuinely artisan. Dried botanicals, vintage-style frames, linen-covered boxes, and hand-thrown ceramics all speak the farmhouse language. Layer, edit, and layer again until it feels perfectly imperfect. Let's talk color, because getting your palette right is truly transformational. Summer farmhouse design lives in a world of warm whites, creamy off-whites, soft sage greens, muted terracottas, dusty blues, and warm taupes. These are what designers call earth-anchored neutrals, colors that reference nature and feel immediately soothing. IKEA makes this easy with their wide range of cushion covers, curtains, and textiles in exactly these tones. The key tip? Choose 1 or 2 accent colors, say sage green and terracotta, and repeat them in small doses across every room. Repetition creates cohesion, and cohesion creates that magazine-worthy home you've been dreaming of. Lighting is the jewelry of interior design, and in a farmhouse home, you want every fixture to feel like it belongs in a sun-drenched countryside cottage. IKEA's Ranner pendant lights in matte black or aged brass are absolute farmhouse icons. Hang them over your dining table or kitchen island in clusters of 2 or 3. Swap out harsh overhead bulbs for warm Edison-style LED bulbs throughout. In living spaces, layer your lighting with table lamps, floor lamps, and candles. In summer, also maximize natural light by keeping window treatments sheer and light. Ambient layering, mixing light sources at different heights, is the professional designer's secret weapon. If color is the soul of farmhouse design, texture is the body, and summer gives you the most beautiful palette of natural materials to work with. The farmhouse home lives and breathes through the contrast of rough and smooth, matte and sheen, handmade and refined. Think, a smooth white ceramic vase sitting on a rough-hewn wooden tray. Woven wrought tan light shades hanging over a marble effect tabletop. IKEA's Lustiger rug in natural fibers grounds a room beautifully. The practical tip here is the rule of 3 textures per room. Always ensure you have something woven, something wooden, and something soft. This triad creates instant warmth and depth. One of the most exciting things about using IKEA for your farmhouse home is that these pieces are incredibly hackable, meaning with just a few simple tweaks, they transform into something that looks entirely custom. Swap out standard IKEA hardware for cup pulls or bin pulls in aged brass or matte black. This single change elevates any cabinet instantly. Paint IKEA's KIVIK or HEMNES pieces in lime wash white for that authentic aged farmhouse finish. Add IKEA's Ledberg lighting strips inside shelving units for a warm, glowing built-in look. Wrap plain IKEA mirrors with a thin rope or reclaimed wood trim. These glow-up moments are budget-friendly, deeply satisfying, and absolutely achievable on a weekend. One of the most beautiful things about farmhouse design is how naturally it aligns with sustainable living. The farmhouse aesthetic has always celebrated what's already there, repurposed, reclaimed, loved, and lasting. IKEA has made incredible strides in sustainability with their use of responsibly sourced wood, recycled materials, and long-lasting product lines that are designed to be repaired rather than replaced. In your farmhouse home, shop secondhand markets for vintage ceramic pieces, aged wooden frames, and linen textiles. Choose IKEA solid wood pieces over particle board where possible. They age more beautifully and last longer. Sustainable design isn't a trend. In the farmhouse world, it's always been a way of life. Here's the designer secret that makes everything click. Your farmhouse home should feel like it was built by the same pair of loving hands, room by room, year by year. The way to achieve this effortless cohesion is through what designers call a through line, a repeated element that moves from room to room. In a farmhouse home, that through line might be your palette of white, sage, and warm wood, or your consistent use of linen textiles and matte black hardware. Let these elements appear in every space, even in small doses. When a guest walks from your entryway through the living room into the kitchen, they should feel the same warmth, the same intention, the same you, and that is the true art of home design. And there we have it, 20 beautiful chapters of summer farmhouse inspiration, all made real and achievable with the magic of IKEA. From that sun-kissed facade to your dreamy patio, from a cozy reading nook to a spa-like bathroom, you now have everything you need to create the farmhouse home of your dreams this summer. Remember, great design isn't about having the biggest budget. It's about having intention, warmth, and a willingness to try. Start with one room, one corner, one vignette. You will absolutely love where it takes you. If this video inspired you, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves farmhouse style, and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas, because we have so much more beauty coming your way. Drop a comment below and tell me which chapter was your favorite. I read every single one. Until next time, keep creating the home you love. See you soon.